to show me love.
Okay. Hair grease. Come on, let's dance.
You've got to show me love.
Edmund, while I was sitting there, I had a few requests from the crowd. So they just want to know if you could perform these tricks. Can you make a few of us look slimmer than we are? Somebody asked. And my brother there in particular wanted to know if he can export a few girls from the beaches of Goa, at least the illusion of it. And this is from me. Can you make these people subscribe to our magazine? Oh, yeah? Oh, I think it's magically set up a subscription counter outside, so you can all leave your name and number. Well, anyway, thank you. That was an enthralling performance from you. When I called everyone up and invited them, everyone was like, oh, it's already been 3 years. And for us, it was 36 months and 36 issues, so that's how we calculated. And it wouldn't have been possible without a lot of wonderful people. But before that, I'd like to thank Ajit Kumar sir. He was unable to come here, but thank you for the time that you gave us, sir, despite your busy schedule. In fact, he told us August is his lucky month because he moved to Chennai in August. His first film was shot in August, and now recently his Mangata audio also has released this month. And of course, it's our anniversary month, so it was a great coincidence. And I'd like to thank Harris sir for coming tonight and for braving the traffic and coming all the way. I know we have stolen your time, and I know a few producers weren't too happy about it. But this is a special occasion and we wanted a special person to launch it. And Dr. Rajesh, thank you. You've been a great supporter of this magazine. And of course, the lovely and ever-smiling Hansika. Definitely want to do you on cover very soon, so we'll come for a date. And I'd like to thank my team, Inbox team, Mr. NCS Sridhar, Vinod and Guna. They've been an integral part of our magazine. And people have always spoken about the quality of our magazine from our first issue. So that goes to Mr. Dayalan, thank you. And our designer Thiagu, he has really raised the standard of our magazine without even us giving him a raise. So thank you, Dayalan. Thank you, Thiagu, sorry. And of course, our PR, Mr. Nikhil. The success of every show depends on the show and event itself, but that extra success is always because Nikhil is our PR. And thanks to all our writers, Shivani Arora, Deepthi Menon, Jaya Madhavan, Aifia MBV, Sabita Radhakrishnan, Geeta Soleraj, Shanaz Hussain and Sadhguru Jagi Vasudev. And our photographers, Sundar had clicked this cover, but he was unable to come today. Venkat Ram, Karthik Srinivasan, who's done our fashion pages, Pratik, Santosh, Kiran Kumar, Swapna Karan, Rohit Ravindra, and our interns Charanya, Gauri, Priyanka, Mansa, Shwati and Meena Justin. And of course Landmark and Higginbothams have helped us go pan-India and are distributing our magazine all over India, and Mobi Driver for our website portal. There's one person we dearly miss today, Mithran Devanesan. He was there for our previous 2 anniversaries. He guided us, he helped us organize our anniversaries beautifully before this, and we are extremely grateful. We are a few lucky ones to have known him, to have worked with him, and to have learned from him. We would like to give a small memento to Auntie, Savitri Auntie, who is Mithran sir's mother. She is an inspiration to me, just like Mithran was. At her age, she has helped so many people. Thanks to Mr. Manav Goel, Virender Razdan and Medha Rao of Park Shatan for hosting what looks like an already successful show. And also thanks to our sponsors, Bill Roth Hospital, Wine Academy of India, Mr. Chinmaya, Four Seasons, Shanta Motors, Brian Securities, Bloom Hospitals and Vijay Opticals. And of course, thanks to the lovely Anjali. She's our lucky mascot. She's also been emceeing all our 3 shows. And of course, Jayanti and Jyoti, my partners. When we met Harris sir, I was just telling him we did college together and then we were copywriters and then we landed here with our magazine. So he jokingly asked if we copied each other. So maybe that's why our partnership is working. And thanks to the entire press for being here. Well, Edmund, did you do something to shut me up? Like the rest of my speech is missing? Did you? Well, I don't. Before Edmundo makes me disappear, I'd let you enjoy the show. Thank you very much.
And have a good evening.